What's up, tech enthusiasts? Today we're talking about keeping your PC cool under pressure, and when it comes to cooling, Arctic is a name that needs no introduction. They've been killing it with their affordable, high-performance cooling solutions, and their Liquid Freezer 3 AIOs are no exception. These coolers come in a variety of sizes to fit your rig, with the 240mm and 360mm being some of the most popular choices. So, what makes them so special? Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about the heart of any liquid cooler, the radiator. The Arctic Liquid Freezer 3 boasts a beefy radiator that's designed to maximize surface area for heat dissipation. Now, a bigger radiator means more space for the liquid to cool down, which translates to better overall cooling performance. And speaking of liquid, these AIOs come pre-filled with high-quality coolant, so you won't have to worry about messy filling procedures. One of the biggest advantages of the Arctic Liquid Freezer 3 over traditional air coolers is, well, size. While massive air coolers might seem like the way to go, they can sometimes cause compatibility issues with other components in your case, like RAM or your motherboard's VRM heatsinks. The Liquid Freezer 3's slim profile and flexible tubing make it a breeze to install, even in more compact cases. Now, let's get down to brass tacks, performance. In our testing, the Arctic Liquid Freezer 3 consistently outperformed some of the top air coolers on the market. We're talking about a 10 to 15 degrees Celsius difference in some cases, especially under heavy workloads like gaming or video editing. That's a significant difference that can result in smoother performance and a longer lifespan for your precious components. But it's not just about raw cooling power. Noise levels matter too, right? The Arctic Liquid Freezer 3 shines in this department as well. It features a PWM-controlled pump and fans that adjust their speeds dynamically based on your CPU temperature. This means that under low loads, the cooler operates whisper quiet, and even under stress, it's noticeably quieter than many air coolers. And for all the RGB enthusiasts out there, the Arctic Liquid Freezer 3 doesn't disappoint. It comes equipped with customizable RGB lighting on the pump head and fans, adding a touch of flair to your build. You can synchronize the lighting with other compatible components for a cohesive and eye-catching setup. Whether you're a hardcore gamer rocking the latest CPU or a content creator pushing your system to the limit, the Arctic Liquid Freezer 3 is a versatile cooling solution that can handle it all. It's compatible with a wide range of Intel and AMD sockets, so you can rest assured that it'll fit your build. Now, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, price. The Arctic Liquid Freezer 3 comes in at a surprisingly affordable price point, especially considering its performance and features. It offers exceptional value for money, making it a compelling option for budget-conscious builders. So, there you have it, folks. The Arctic Liquid Freezer 3 AIO is a game-changer in the world of PC cooling. It offers top-notch performance, quiet operation, stylish aesthetics, and all of that at a price that won't break the bank. It's a no-brainer for anyone looking to upgrade their cooling setup. What are your thoughts on the Arctic Liquid Freezer 3? Have you tried it out yet? Let me know in the comments down below. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more awesome tech content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.